All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. Today we're going to give a check and see how the herbs are growing after a month of being here in the vases. I've been trimming the rosemary every night for decoration, for cooking. Basil is doing great. I use that too. Parsley is hiding over here. I've been using quite a bit. Oregano. We have a problem with oregano. I guess I haven't been talking very much to the oregano. Sage is doing good. So thanks to Ricky that is doing a great job. But let's go and check what's going on with the mint and the German thyme that we have downstairs. You know, we are in Florida on the Mexican Gulf. Ricky's trimming today, the gardener. Let's see what's going on, because if you remember well, Ricky said that he put two vases with, here they are, with a German thyme and mint, and it looks like they're doing very well. Let's try to zoom. Here they are. So the thyme is, that's the thyme. See if I can focus. Yep. That's the thyme, and it's German thyme. It's ready for me. And over here we got the mint. Here it is. Good for desserts, good for salads. Okay, I guess they're calling me. Ricky the gardener is taking care of that. It's a nice day over here on the Mexican Gulf. And I just wanted to check with you, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.